Mami Rostel. We have family dinner.
Hello, good evening. We are here at Ramos Hotel. We're having our family dinner. What's up, guys?
For inviting us.
So much. Family dinner. We're having our family dinner, guys. We're having our hotel.
Ito na lang, top to kasin ko. Ito na lang, top tong kasin ko. Trunggay.
Guys.
Bye! Ubus ha? Ubus ha?